It's my old-fashioned bread pudding. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be doing for you an old-fashioned bread pudding. So here I have my ingredients. I have 6 slices of bread and I broke them up into pieces. 2 eggs I'm gonna whip, half cup of cranberry and raisin, half cup of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg and cinnamon, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I have some milk, whole milk, and I have some wine that I'm gonna add to it, and I have my baking tin. So let's get started. I also have some butter, guys, so I'm gonna use 1/4 cup of butter in this mixture. All right, so I'm gonna get started. I'm gonna get the pot heated up to melt the butter with the milk and then start. Okay. In the meantime, I'm gonna whip my eggs. Guys, I'm gonna melt the butter and then add the milk. Add in the milk. Two cups of milk. So that is finished melting. I'm gonna add the sugar, the half cup of sugar to the mixture. I'm gonna mix until the sugar is dissolved. Okay, so you can turn off the heat now. So guys, I'm gonna add the other mixtures now, which is the egg. Cinnamon, nutmeg, and the salt. And the raisin and the cranberry. I'm gonna add my bread. Okay. And I'm gonna add the mixture. A bit of red label wine, see, 1/4 cup, 1/4 cup, guys. So that's my mixture. And still, guys, my mixture. I'm gonna pour the mixture in. There you have it, guys. I'm gonna bake this at 350 degrees. Oven is being heated up, so as soon as it is ready, I'm gonna add my mixture to bake until done. Take 45 minutes or an hour. Oven is now hot, so I'm gonna add the mixture. gonna bake until done. Okay, just checking, guys. Look at it, look at it, look at it. Still going, still going. So it's not quite ready yet, so I'm gonna wait on it to bake properly. Okay, guys? And there you have it, guys. It looks like it's all done, ready to be eaten. Yes, guys, all done. My old-fashioned bread pudding, all done, ready to be eaten. Yes, guys. So I'm gonna allow this to cool a bit, then I am going to dig into the slices. Okay, guys? So stay tuned. So guys, here's my pudding. I'm going to cut a slice now. I'm gonna cut a slice, guys. So ready, guys? I am ready to cut my slice. So here you go. It's not easy to bake bread pudding. So guys, my bread pudding is ready. What do you think about it? What do you think about my pudding, guys? That's my pudding. What do you think about it, guys? Yummy, 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 yummy. Yes, guys. Yes, guys. It is now ready. Look at it, guys. Yummy. And it's now Easter time. Easter coming up shortly, you know. So guys, if you don't like sweet buns, you can do this old-fashioned bread pudding. You can have it with cheese. You can have it with anything you want to have it with. Okay, guys. So here you have it. Yum, yum, yum. Yum. Yes, guys. Yum, 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 yum. Yes, guys, my old-fashioned bread pudding is now ready and ready to be eaten. I'm gonna have this with some orange juice and some cheese aside. So guys, you can go ahead and make this easy recipe for your children lunch, supper, dessert. Just go ahead and make this. It's so cool. You don't have to use the eggs. You can make it without the eggs. You can make it how you want it to make, but I am saying this is so easy. In no time it is done. No rubbing of sugar and butter, none of those rubbing up things. Just so easy. Okay, guys, go ahead and make it. Go ahead and try it. You'll love it. Remember to like this video, share it to their friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe. Tell a friend to come on over to my channel. Okay, guys, yes, come on over. Thank you for subscribing. And if you're a newcomer, remember, before you leave, remember to subscribe and touch that notification bell. Love you all, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Take care, guys. Thank you. My old-fashioned bread pudding. I'm gonna have this with some tasty cheese. Look at it. It can be on your menu for Easter. So go ahead and try it. It's less sweet. Okay, guys, if you're watching your sugar intake, this is the best thing to eat for Easter. Alright?